Welcome to the Sew and Craft channel. This is the channel where you will find easy to follow step-by-step videos for sewing and for craft. I post videos with techniques as well as hints and tips for sewing, machine embroidery, decor, digitizing, craft and how-to guides for machines and accessories. Hi, my name is Shireen Haynes, owner of Sew and Craft. Being creative and teaching are my passion, and I've been doing this full-time since 1993. I owned a retail store for almost 24 years where I sold machines and taught sewing, machine embroidery, decor, digitizing, craft and machine classes. Now, many of my students who moved away from my area and even to different countries still wanted access to my classes, and that is why my online classes and my YouTube channel were created. Now, if you would like to know when I post new videos, click on the subscribe button below. And now let me show you some of the examples of what I will share. I teach how to use a variety of machines as well as machine accessories. Then I also teach how to use the scan and cut and its accessories. I also demonstrate various sewing tools and accessories. And then I share lots of sewing hints and tips, and some examples are for perfect plackets, zip tips, as well as pockets and buttonholes. I have lots of easy do-it-yourself sewing projects, as well as some fun sewing and craft projects. I also teach techniques for lingerie, underwear and swimwear, digitizing tips and tricks, cushions, Roman blinds, lampshades, table linen and bedroom decor. So if you love to sew and craft, subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so that you won't miss any videos when I post.